You know you need more Google reviews, but asking feels awkward, right? Here's how to do it in a way that actually works without being weird about it. I'm Kelsey with KaeRae Marketing. Reviews are one of the biggest factors in how to rank better on Google Maps. But most business owners either don't ask at all or they ask in a way that doesn't get results. Let me show you a better way. Here's the reality. Happy customers rarely leave reviews on their own. They had a good experience, they moved on with their day, and they totally forgot about it. Unhappy customers, they remember. They're motivated. That's why businesses that don't ask for reviews end up with a screwed profile, a few complaints with not much else. You have to ask. It's not pushy, it's just smart business. The best time to ask is right after you've delivered great results and the customer is happy. For home service businesses, that's usually right after you finish the job and they're thanking you, in a follow-up text or an email the same day or the next day. You could even put it on your invoice or receipt. Don't wait a week. By then, the positive feeling has faded and they've moved on. If you're asking in person, make it simple and direct. Hey, if you were happy with the work we did today, I would really appreciate you helping us out and leaving us a review on Google. I can text you the link right now if that's okay. That's it. You're not begging, you're not being weird, you're just asking. Most people will say yes, some won't, that's fine. For most businesses, a follow-up text works best. Here's a template. Hi, their name. Thanks for choosing your business today. If you have a minute, we'd really appreciate a Google review. It helps other homeowners find us. Here's the link. Short, direct, includes the link. That's the key. You made it easy. If they have to search for your business, they won't do it. To get your direct review link, go to your Google Business profile, click on Ask for Reviews, and copy the link. Use it everywhere. You can also add a review request to your invoices, receipts, or follow-up emails. Something like, loved your experience? Leave us a Google review. Include the link. This won't convert as well as a personal ask, but it catches people that you might have missed. A few things to avoid. Don't offer incentives for reviews. No, leave a review and get 10% off. That violates Google's policy and you can get your reviews removed. Don't ask for 5-star reviews. Just ask for honest reviews. If you did a good job, you'll get 5 stars. Don't argue with negative reviews. Respond professionally, try to resolve the issue offline, and move on. One bad review among 50 good ones won't hurt you. The businesses that have a lot of reviews aren't just asking occasionally. They've built it into their process. Every job, every time someone asks, whether it's the technician, a follow-up text, an automated email, it's happening continuously. Make asking for reviews part of your standard operating procedure, and the reviews will add up fast. To get more Google reviews, ask right after delivering a great result. Make it easy by sending a direct link, follow up with a text or email if you didn't ask in person. Build it into your process so it happens every time. It's not pushy. It's how businesses grow. If you want to learn more about optimizing your Google Business profile, I have a whole playlist on this. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more tips on growing your home service businesses. I'll see you later. Want to know how to respond to negative reviews? Watch this next.